Hey, wait, my people, it don't happen again. It don't bust, oh, it don't scatter. No be small something as I they talk to Nana, another one don't happen. No, I know say most of una know this prophet. Elena prophet Emeka Onu. My people, as I they talk to Nana, it don't bust come out to. No be small something. He say any of una when they screenshot in post, any prophecy when you give, on a the screenshot time or on a the carry the video, on a go the mock am, say you know better for now. Say the kind pie one I go pie. Say no only God now I know. Say the pie self, even your family, they go the pity for you. No be small something. Oh, he say if he not be small pikin for inside prophecy. Say if he give prophecy, say the thing surely come to pass, my people. As I cross this one, I will actualize. He say make una not they try the mock am again. No be small something. He swear for all these bloggers when they lie. My people may not come be say I too talk. Man live on. Men are listening to prophet Emeka Onu.
Listen, I know what I'm about to do now. A lot of people will say, you are a man of God, you are a prophet. Why will you be cursing? So I should be blessing only. The same mouth I used to do prayers, the same mouth I used to bless people, I can use it to curse the people who don't like peace. I don't know. The people in this country are the people still doing their self. They are still the one doing their self. And now this is my prayer. Anyone who will screenshot or take my video of the prophecy I gave and use it to make mockery of me, you will never find peace in your life. The suffering of Nigeria for years, you will suffer it double. Listen to me. Let me tell you how you will die. They will carry you from one pastor to another. From one pastor to another. And you will die. Even in your family member will curse you for bringing shame to the family. Sickness and affliction shall be your portion. Anyone who will screenshot my post that I said P2B will win. Yes. What do you mean? P2B is the person that won. But because of corruption, you heard Tinubu said. He said, many of you many of you did not vote for me. And you are surprised that your candidate is not standing where I am standing now. What is the meaning of that? Many of you did not vote for me. He is to tell you that even he himself knows that he did not merit where he is. And I still stand, I am saying it. Peter Obi is the president. That is what I am saying. I am still saying it till death. And nobody can do anything about that. Listen, you that is screenshotting my post, trying to talk rubbish, you will never find your life will become used. You will die a shameful death. I want to let you know, you will still come back to my prophecy. You will still bring back my posts when it happens. I still stand on what I'm saying. I'm not a baby in this prophetic kingdom. I am a dawn in this prophetic. I am not a baby. I don't guess prophecies.
My people, share on I don't watch her. On I don't hear everything for the horse's mouth. He say he give prophecy, say they go they mock at the screenshot. Say anything when he talk, say the thing, they surely come to pass. Say even he say he don't take the thing, go surely come to pass. Say he no be small pikin for inside this prophetic. Say he not done for inside this prophetic. So when they give, say me they not they mock him again. If they mock am, say the kind by when that the person go buy. Hey, say what if the person go fight on this life again? Say you not go see him. Say the person wahala. Say it go worst past the one when they Nigeria now. My people not be small something. No, as I cross this one, I say like seriously. Hey, not be small something. You say, especially all these bloggers when they lie, when they carry fake news, they go they lie, they go they mock am. Say you don't ready. Say the kind pie. Say if you use the matter talk something, say the thing they definitely come to pass. My people may not come be say I too talk oh. Now yeah, now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao everyone. Bye bye.